Alright, this video is to show you how to submit an OnShape assignment. You may have watched a different video before, but there's something that we need to add. So first you come into here, okay, and you decide which one you want to share. Okay, so let's go with the child's toy. Click it. If you can't see it, you click the I, which is the details. Okay, then you have to go share, public, and then you have to make this public. Okay, then you can click close, then you click copy workspace link. Okay, and once that's copied, you come into Canvas, find whichever assignment it is, hit submit, and then paste it, space, and then you would submit it. Obviously the change was you have to make it public before we can actually share it. So that is how you submit an OnShape project.